Of the 10 Show was sponsored by Ace Public Adjusters.
Welcome back to the 10 Show. Well, in the last few days, we've seen many pictures like these. Torrential rain and tropical storm strength winds from Hurricane Irene have left homeowners with plenty to clean up and repair. In some instances, Irene flooded homes that never got a drop of water in the past. And trees that have weathered other storms were toppled, bringing down power lines and damaging houses. So what should you do if your property was damaged? Tony Hoffman from Ace Public Adjusters is here with some much-needed advice. Tony, I know you're a very busy guy. Thanks for being here today. A lot of people out there with damage. What's the first thing they need to do, especially when it comes to their insurance company?
The first thing, Bill, is to call Ace Public Adjusters so we can promptly report your insurance claim. We send someone out to inspect the damages for you.
Okay, well, we'll get to why they should hire a public adjuster, but if they're contacting them on their own,
yes,
should they pick up the phone immediately, or is it okay to do some repairs around the house?
It's always necessary to stop the problem from getting worse. For example, fixing the roof, fixing a pipe so it doesn't get worse. Protect your property from further damage.
Because you're required to protect your property.
Without question.
Before you start the repairs, should you somehow document the damage that's been done?
Pictures. Always take pictures. You must exhibit the damage to the insurance company before you start the repairs. Again, you can stop the problem. You cannot fix the damages.
And should you retain the damaged part of your home? Like if it ripped off a big chunk of your roof or something like that, should you keep that to show the insurance people?
Yes. Keep that this way. It's pricing. They know how to price it, the damaged property.
And if you, in the event that your home is so damaged that you can't stay in it anymore, you have to go stay in a hotel or eat meals out or things like that, what should you do in that case?
In all cases, your policy does cover additional living expenses. Document your receipts, your hotel stay, or if you're staying with a family member, and you will be able to get reimbursed for that.
So these are some things that you can do yourself. But lots of people are busy, and they are on the go, and that's where Ace Public Adjusters comes in, correct?
Yes, we work for you. We take the responsibilities of notifying the insurance company, taking the pictures. Everybody's busy. They have to go to work. Our job is to do that job for you.
Okay. So, and how do you get paid then?
We work on a contingency. When we represent the insured, we get them enough money to put their house back to the way it was before this event occurred.
And in some cases, are your adjusters able to spot damage that others might not see?
Without question. Most people focus on the bottom part, where it ended up at, not realizing where it may have started from. For example, a roof leak down.
Yeah. Do you have any idea what the average claim would be after a storm like Irene, or is there an average to this?
There is no average because each claim is different. Whether it be wind, which is universally covered, whether it be water, whether it be flood, each claim is different.
So if you have wind damage to your home, your homeowner insurance is going to cover that?
Positively. Wind is covered universally, Bill, throughout the United States. It's covered universally.
All right. If there's a problem with a leak in your roof or a window, is that also covered?
Yes, because it's been wind driven.
Now, we've had flood waters come up too, but that's a different animal when it comes to insurance, isn't it?
Positively. Flood insurance is necessary in flood zones. Most of us here in Philadelphia and surrounding do not have flood policies. Most times it's not necessary. So it is a totally different animal, yes.
Now, are we just talking about homes here? We've seen lots of pictures of cars that have been flooded out or trees that have landed on cars. Yep. Can Ace help out with that as well?
No, that's different laws in each state. That would be your automobile insurance.
All right. So they hire Ace Public Adjusters, and you get paid if they get paid.
That's bottom line.
And is it a percentage of the total?
Yes, we work on a contingency. So obviously, the more we get the homeowner, the more we make. But we guarantee your house to be put back the way it was pre-existing.
And can you guarantee that I will actually get enough money to get everything done and pay you at the same time?
Positively. And you're not actually paying us. We're negotiating with the insurance company to get you a maximum settlement.
Sure, but then your payment comes out of that payment to the homeowner,
yes,
correct?
And the money you get guaranteed to put you back to originality.
All right, I know you're very busy, so I'm not going to keep you any longer.
Thank you, Bill.
Tony Hoffman from Ace Public Adjusters, thanks for stopping by. All right.